Hello, my dear lovely students of class 3. I am Vidya Rani, your English teacher. Children, I am back again with a video for you all that is of Chapter 8, A Trip to Mars. Children, in the earlier video of mine, I had finished with part 1 and part 2 of same very chapter. So, today in this video, we will carry on the same very chapter that will be part 3, A Trip to Mars. But before we start with part 3, children, let's quickly recapitulate what we had done in part 1 and part 2. Like children, in part 1 and part 2, we came to know about a scientist, astronaut, whose name was Captain Gina, and she plans out to go to the planet Mars. Every time she used to go along with other scientists, but this time she planned to go all alone, and only one robot accompanied with her. The name of that robot was Curio. And in part 2 we had discussed that how she landed to the planet Mars and how she started with her work looking for rocks, okay, and she started searching different places where she could get good rocks and she could carry it back to the earth for other scientists to study about the planet Mars. Children, up till here we had ended with part 2. So let us start with part 3. Put your fingers, children, where am I reading? That is page number 71, the topmost page, okay? Captain Gina's scientist friends had already told her about all the good places on Mars from where she could dig out the rocks. Now I should go in search of the spots from where I can find the right rock for the test, she said. Curio too went along with her to help her find the rocks. Okay, in this paragraph, children, Captain Gina said that her scientist friend had already told her about the good places where she could get rocks, okay, where she could dig out rocks, and she makes herself ready to get ready in search of what, children? Good rocks, so that she could carry it to the planet Earth for the other scientists to study, okay, about the planet Mars. Now, this robot, whose name was what? Curio, also started helping her out in finding the rocks. The scientist had asked Gina to collect rocks and soil from the surface of the Mars because they wanted to see if there was life on Mars long ago. Captain Gina used her digging tool and collected a lot of rocks to perform tests on them. She then took the help of Curio to study the rocks and see if they could be taken back to the scientist on Earth. Now here the scientist Gina, what did she do? She started looking for rocks, and this astronaut, Captain Gina, started looking for what? Started looking for good rocks so that she could carry it back to the earth, okay, because her scientists had asked for it because they wanted to see, children, whether the life was there on Mars or not. They could study seeing the rock, okay. So And they even asked for the rocks to perform different types of what? Tests. Okay. So she took help of that robot, Curio, who was with her, and Curio helped her out in finding the rocks. Okay. That could be taken to the earth, back to the scientist. Now just see. Curio helped Captain Gina study the rocks. It also assisted her in digging a few more rocks from the soil. Finally, it took a picture of Captain Gina and sent it to Earth for all the other astronauts and scientists to see. Now, what did Captain Gina do? Captain Gina took the help of Curio in studying the rocks, and Curio even assisted her in digging few more rocks from the where, children? From the soil. Okay. And finally, Curio, what did he do? What did it do? That robot took the picture of Captain Gina and sent it to the Earth for other astronauts and scientists to see. Turn the page, children, to page number 72. Okay. At last, the time came for Captain Gina and Curio to leave the red planet and head back home. Okay. At last, what? The time finally came for them to leave that planet. Okay. And return back to Earth. Okay. And to leave that red planet here means what, children? We often say Mars as a red planet. Okay. They traveled past all the planets and stars. Captain Gina's work was done as she had brought back all the rocks which she had collected on her mission. Now, they traveled almost, they went around almost. It took long for them to come back to Earth, and they traveled through different planets and stars. Now, Captain Gina's work was done. She was very happy, and she brought back what, children? Rocks, which she had collected for her mission. Okay. Now just see page number 73, children. She came back and told everyone about what she had seen on Mars. The scientists thought that the people had lived on Mars a long time ago. They even wondered if Mars was green and blue like Earth at one time. She came back and she told different things, whatever she had seen on Mars, okay, to the other scientists, those who were on Earth. And they even thought that people used a long time ago, people used to live on that Mars. They even wondered if they thought that the Mars must be blue and green in color, like as what we are living on Earth. It is blue and green, isn't it, children? Green why? It's full of plant, and blue why? It's different oceans are here, isn't it? Rivers are here. Okay, that is why blue. Okay, all scientists congratulated Captain Gina and told her what excellent work she had done. All the captain, all the scientists, all the astronauts, they congratulated Captain Gina, and they even said that she had done a wonderful job. Okay, well done, Captain Gina. Soon it will be time for you to get ready for another trip. And they sat together. All the scientists, they patted her shoulder and they said, well done, Captain Gina, you have done a great job. Okay, and you please be ready for the another trip. Please get ready for another trip. We will be sending you again for another trip so that we can carry on with our work. Here, children, we come to the end of part 3 of this chapter. Okay, children, in the next video of mine, I'll be carrying on with question answers of this very chapter. Till then, children, keep on reading this story. Very interesting story, isn't it? And please do like and subscribe my video. Take care, children. Bye.